Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about the classification of organic compounds. Before that, what is organic compounds? Organic compounds are the compound which are chemically in carbon atoms, but sometimes it is also different carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. But this lecture not only for the graduation student, it is special request from the other students from school level, and they are requested to me. That's why I discuss in this contest classification of organic compound which is present in our system. First, organic molecule. Organic molecule generally contain carbon and other compounds, hydrocarbon and other classes of organic molecules. Hydrocarbon, that means hydrogen with carbon, and other class of organic compounds like other class of organic molecule, that means they are non-carbon compound substances. They are classified into different groups. First, organic compound which are constituting the 90% of all compounds, and depending upon the arrangement of the carbon atoms in their structure, organic compound are broadly categorized into two class. One is the acyclic or open chain carbon atom, open chain compounds, or cyclic or closed chain compounds. That means one is the open chain, another is the cyclic chain. The organic compounds which are two groups, one is the cyclic or closed chain and cyclic, then open chain will be classified into another groups. One is the homocyclic, another is the heterocyclic. The homocyclic is acyclic and aromatic will be again classified into the benzenoid and the non-benzenoid compounds. We discuss elaborately in the next slide. Acyclic or open chain compounds. The carbon atoms are present in the form of open chain. Basically, they are not cyclized. They are totally open or straight chain. And this chain may be either the straight chain or the branch chain. And there is initially known as the aliphatic compounds because of the compound. These of the class are derivative from the either animals or the vegetable fats. That means they are not cyclization, they are straight chain like compound. Straight chain compounds in this carbon atom, please see it, the form of straight chain like in propane, it is a straight chain CH3 CH2 CH3, and propene CH2 double bond CH, because in propane it is also straight chain and propane it is also straight chain, but it is a one unsaturated compound, that is called propene CH2 CH3. Another the branch chain CC, but here the branch in the CH3 that is called branch chain, but all are the acyclic or open chain compound, not in the cyclization. Cyclic or closed chain compound, they are marked by the presence of the one or more closed chain or ring of atom in the structure, and depending whether it is a presence of any other atoms or parts, carbon is the constituent of the ring, and they are further classified in the homocyclic or carbocyclic compound or heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic or carbocyclic compound are the compound which is contain carbon with hydrogen. The same ring, there is the ring commonly entire made up of the carbon atoms. No other atom present in the ring, but they are also classified into two groups. One is the alicyclic compound, another is the aromatic compound. What is alicyclic compound? There is a name is attributed. That means this alicyclic means to their resemble of the aliphatic compound in their property, and compound that is the both aliphatic and acyclic. And the example of this category is the all are the aliphatic compounds or acyclic compounds like cyclopropane. First one is the cyclopropane, 3-member carbon with hydrogen, all are hydrocarbon cane. And cyclobutane, this is 4-member carbon, and cyclopentane 5-member, and cyclohexane, cycloheptane, these are the compound which are the adicyclic compound. All are contain carbon and hydrogen, remember it, all contain hydrogen and carbon, but number of carbon atom is the different. That is an aromatic compound, these are the cyclic, saturated, unsaturated compound. The Greek, actually aromatic means aroma, means The Greek word coming from the aroma, which is means the fragrant smell. The smell, aroma like smell, that is called, that's why it is called the aromatic compound. And since the most of this compound bears a present smell, and there are further classification into two classes. One is the benzenoid aromatic compound, or that means benzene ring containing compound, and the non-benzene aromatic compounds. To see the benzenoids aromatic compounds, they are characterized by the one or more few fused or isolated benzene ring, as well as they are derivatives. That means they contain some benzene ring, obviously either is a monocyclic or is the polycyclic, dependent upon the number of benzene ring that are fused together. Then and in the structures they are further classified into the monocyclic, bicyclic and tricyclic and another, or polycyclic. That means benzene ring 1, 2, 3. That's why it is called mono, di and tricyclic. And non-benzoid compounds like benzene ring is not absent, but it is the single benzene ring. Benzene ring, non-benzoid aromatic compounds mean obviously benzene ring must be present, but one benzene ring with the others compound. Like here the benzene ring, first this benzene ring substituted by the methyl group, it is toluene, it is a non-benzoid aromatic ring. That is another also orthoxylene, CH3 in the 1, 2 position, and metaxylene 1 and 3 position, and para position 1 and 4 position. This is the paraxylene, ortho meta para. It is very important for your class 11, 9 and 10 and 11 also, 12 also. What is ortho? 1, 2 position, 1, 3, again repeated, 1, 2 ortho, 1, 3 meta, and 1, 6, 1, 4 is the para position. Para means just opposite. Aniline, which is also non-benzoid aromatic compound, amino group with benzene. Bicyclic or tricyclic, in this case there is a benzene ring fused together, and there is a one benzene ring fused with the another benzene ring, it is called naphthalene. Another is the phenanthrene, one benzene ring, two benzene ring fused with the another three benzene ring, it is called phenanthrene. Generally this phenanthrene nucleus which is present in the all the steroid compounds. Another is the anthracene, but three benzene ring fused together, that is called the anthracene. But here phenanthrene three benzene ring, but anthracene also three benzene ring, but there is some difference. They are just straight like, but in case of phenanthrene just 1, 2 are fused, then another fused with the upper portion, that is all this phenanthrene, or it is basically commonly known as cyclopentanoparhydrophenanthrene, for the basically structure common structure of all the steroid compounds. Non-benzoid aromatic compounds that are contain other highly unsaturated ring in place of the benzene ring are called the non-benzoid aromatic compounds. For example, azulene and tropolone. Heterocyclic compounds, heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic, that means one or more heteroatoms such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, boron, silicon are present in the ring. This is not a hydrocarbon, but some compounds as they know the heterocyclic compound. Sometimes it is a acyclic hetero compound or aliphatic heterocyclic compound that are contain one or more heteroatoms in the rings. One is the tetraxylene and 1,4-dioxy. One 5-member ring with oxygen, 6-member with the oxygen, and 1,4 ring 2 oxygen atoms. Aromatic heterocarbon compound, aromatic heterocyclic carbon atom are contained. One is the furan, 5-member ring, thiophan, S group, S is pyrrole group, pyrrole, pyridine, oxazolene, thiazole, pyrimidine, and piperazine. Here NH, no unsaturation, but 1,3 position, it is pyrimidine. The one is the pyridine and another the pyrimidine. One N, another is a 2N in the substitution. So in this case there is a non-hetero, that means there are non-carbon atom compound which are attached with the cyclic or aromatic compounds. So we can see it, there is some difference between the aromatic compound and alicyclic compounds. First of all, the alicyclic compound and the organic chemistry is the compound that are both aliphatic and alicyclic, and aromatic compound are the organic compound composed by the carbon hydrogen atoms arranged with a ring structure with delocalized in the pi bond, which is discussed in the later class, and it is delocalized with the pi electron bond, and essentially component delocalized by the pi electron clouds. and can be either by the saturated or unsaturated compounds. Essentially, saturated components of aromatic compounds and have a no specific aroma in case of alicyclic and have a aroma, and stability depend upon the chemical structure of compounds. So I think you are understand for the aromatic. A short note about the aromatic and organic compound, then we discuss in the later class elaborately in the next class. Thank you all the listeners. If you understand, please like me and subscribe my channel. Thank you all the listeners.